Did you know you can make a stranger yawn just by yawning near them? Here's the weird part. It has nothing to do with being tired. Your brain has special cells called mirror neurons. Their entire job is to copy what other people do, automatically, without asking you first. When you see someone yawn, those neurons fire like you did it yourself. Scientists think this system is ancient, maybe hundreds of thousands of years old, built to keep groups synchronized without words. You're not tired. You're just running very old social software.